We're so excited that Bowling Green's Entertainment Destination Center, Fountain Row, is finally launching. This is a great opportunity to add another new amenity to the amazing downtown Bowling Green experience. We are the 13th city in Kentucky to launch one of these, and this is your opportunity to go to any of our 19 bars and restaurants that are participating in here on a Friday or Saturday from 11 a.m. to 9 p.m. and get an alcoholic beverage to go in a designated Fountain Row cup, and then walk around and explore, maybe window shop, check out a live event outdoors, or check out some music. And this is the chance for downtown Bowling Green to also offer a new economic development and tourism development opportunity to all of our businesses. And it's a workforce development opportunity too, because it attracts all kinds of new talent and new jobs. So come explore Fountain Row in downtown Bowling Green. Can't wait to see you.
One. Yeah!